Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep Spotify playing in the background. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to keep Spotify playing in the background, you can play any songs over here. And in the home page, you can see your profile icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. Now go to the settings and privacy option. Once you're in the settings page, over here you can see the apps and devices option. Tap on it. Now scroll down and in the other devices section, you can see Spotify Connect Control. You can enable this feature. In some account, you can even find Spotify Connect in background option. If you see that option in your settings page, you can enable that too. That will allow to play the Spotify music in the background as well, even when you close the app. Now go back. Now play the song again, and if I go to the home page, the music is still playing. So that's it. That's how you can easily keep Spotify playing in the background. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.